What is going on there, everyone? We're getting ready to head out and do some touristy shit today again. We're in Lima, Peru, and this area is called Surquillo. So this is the kind of the barrio that I'm in right now, the neighborhood. And right now grabbing a coffee. I'm gonna show you guys the brunch that we had as well. So I got some clips of the brunch. I got some video clips of the gym as well. So we're gonna go to two spots today. One spot is, well, they're both museums, but one spot has ruins. The name is Haka, something like that. And then I'm going to another spot as well after that. So pumped for that, and well, see you guys soon. This is weekend 2 in Lima, and we're going to visit some ruins right now. Again, I just had a coffee, got brunch in. I got videos of the brunch. I'll show you guys what we have for brunch as well. So we have eggs, ground chicken, mango and pineapple. It looks huge. Tomato. I have pita with 0 sugar jam, and she has toast. Basically, this is what we got going on here. Vitamin D, probiotics, salsa, great low calorie option. Her stuff for her coffee, but I drink my coffee black. And then of course, big glasses of water. But check it out. So this is Waka Pukyana. I can't pronounce it, but yeah, this is, check this out. So we're in like central, this is an area of Lima called Miraflores. So it's an area that's very touristic, and let's freaking get it, guys. I'll show you guys when we're in there. Check this out, guys. Look at this, gang. This is the buen video aquí.
I'm always getting hyped up on different tropical fruits. I'm weird like that. You guys can make fruit jokes all you want, but check out this papaya. So this is a papaya, but normally papayas are green on the outside and like a red color on the inside. Well, these ones here in Peru are yellow on the outside and almost like an orangey yellow on the inside. And I'm telling you, it is so aromatic. I used to think papayas were gross, but when I lived in Canada and the US. But South American papayas, nah, that shit will change your life, man. I'm telling you. It's not as good as pineapple and mango, but man, it's coming in. It's in top 5 for sure.
Seated cable rows, a great staple exercise in your back program, but take note of 2 things in this video. Number 1, you guys are all using the skinny, narrow V grip. This one is gonna hit your back way more and your arms way less. You're overusing your arms, guys. So use this one. This is called the shuffle grip or the D grip. Second thing to note here is my tempo. That's my speed of how fast I'm going. You guys all need to slow the heck down. Thank you.
Not gonna lie, this is definitely a little creepy.
Wow.
And now I'm in a museum called Museo Turco Museum? Larco. What's going on now? We're in a museum called Museo Larco, and this is basically like antiques and ancient stuff, and there's a lot of creepy stuff in here. Some of it's really cool, but some of it's kind of creepy looking. So I'll kind of show you guys some of the stuff in here, but it's like just rows and rows and rows and rows of antique, I don't know how to call them, like pottery and like ceramic stuff. It's just absolutely crazy. Look at this. Anyway, I'll show you some of this. Check it out.
Absolutely crazy. Snakes. Snakes. Bats, or what is that? Dragons.
It's cool that they made all this because then you see, you can record. It's like a recording.
Kind of dark in this room, but look at all these. It's crazy. These little faces. That's like a gremlin. It's like a damn gremlin.
Entre seres que pertenecen a géneros o mundos distintos. Desde esta tierra, los seres humanos piden el agua y el calor del sol al mundo de arriba. Para que el agua y la luz solar llegaran, era necesario ejecutar rituales. Para la sociedad chica que se desarrolló en la costa norte de Perú, en los años 100,
Look at this. If this isn't absolutely crazy, I don't know what is. What the heck? Look at this stuff, guys. If you like obscure ancient shit, you need to come to this museum. What the heck? Look at this. Jewelry. What the heck is this stuff? Gang, is this where the On It guys got the inspiration for those kettlebells? I think this is it. Kettlebell inspiration right here, look. I'm just playing, but seriously, does that look like a kettlebell, or does it look like a kettlebell with an extra horn on the top? Really cool looking. Spearheads. Weapon spearheads. Wow. There's just so much. If you guys nerd out on artifacts, like I said, you gotta come to this museum. Hopefully I don't give so many spoilers away, but you can read about all the history of all these artifacts. Every single one of them. This one here is 1300 AD to 1532 AD, somewhere in that period. Wow, after the death of Christ. It's absolutely, wow. This is just, this museum is the absolute epicenter of Peruvian archaeology and history. It's absolute, look at these friggin' paintings. Now, I don't normally nerd out on this stuff. This is my girlfriend's passion. well, one of her interests is history and cultures. So, but this is super, super, super intriguing. And what is this? Wow, super cool. This is the Larco Museum. So if you really like history, artifacts, if you want to learn about Peruvian history, it's not just Incas, it's everything here. So if you want to learn about this kind of stuff, you have to come here. It's open until 7 p.m. every day of the week, because it is a Sunday right now and it's open until 7 p.m. And it's 30 or 35 soles, which is approximately 14 Canadian dollars, 10, 11 American dollars. So definitely worth it if you like this kind of stuff. All right, so meal prep tonight. This is what I call the 2-for-1. So it's when you cook your dinner, but then you cook extra with it. So I have 4 chicken breasts sliced up with a bunch of different spices. We got cumin, paprika, oregano, salt and pepper, cilantro, green onion, garlic, a ton of salt and pepper, a bunch of different stuff. Red onions and mixed peppers. And then we have the stuff for right now. So we have the corn tortillas, flour tortillas, some mixed stuff, cilantro, tomatoes, different types of onions, and green peppers. So it's going to be some tacos right now for dinner. And then the remainder of this stuff is going to be for tomorrow, which can be eaten with rice or as a fajita or however you want to eat it. And this is what I call the 2-for-1, or in other words, making leftovers purposely. So you cook extra, especially protein, but also veggies for the next day as well. Let's get it. That direction over there is Miraflores. This barrio that we're in with all the higher buildings, this is a developing area. It's one of the nicer areas outside of Miraflores. And over in this direction you can see the smaller buildings. This is a poorer area, poorer barrio. And then can't remember, it's San Hidra or something like that. There's a nicer. All right, gang, so this is dinner tonight. We're making some arroz con mariscos, which is basically seafood rice in Spanish terms. So let's get going here. We have the rice, we have frozen mixed seafood. This is calamari. Calamari. I'm blanking on them. Shrimps, a bunch of different stuff. More fresh shrimp, because apparently the fresh shrimp juice is what you use in the rice as well. We have some saffron, which is actually shockingly easy to find here in Peru. We have, and then our vegetables. So we have green onions, red onion, garlic, 2 different types of bell peppers, and a carrot. So all this stuff here is going to go into this rice, and trust me, it freaking tastes delicious. I don't know what my gimbal is doing. My gimbal's doing some weird stuff here, but let's get her going. All right, look at this final product here, gang. Look at this. Tell me right now that this doesn't look so good. Oh, let me put this light on. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Hey, you. Yes, you. If you're this far, I appreciate the hell out of you. Thank you so much for watching this far in the video. By the way, if you're here, hit that subscribe. Give me some support this new channel. By the way, if you like videos like this, drop a comment. If you have a question, drop a question down below. I'll answer whatever question you have. I appreciate every little bit of engagement you guys give me at this point. And by the way, hit the bell icon. That way you're notified next time I make my post. And FYI, it's very soon, because I'm slow as hell on editing. Let's get it.